Hi students, good morning. This is Amit Daya and I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Master Amit Daya classes. Today's topic is Theorem 6.3 of class 10 chapter number 6 triangles. Theorem is equiangular triangles are similar. You have to prove that equiangular triangles are similar, or we can say that AAA triple A similarity criteria. Let's start. So the theorem is, first you have to write the statement of the theorem. Theorem is, if the corresponding angles are equal in two triangles, if the corresponding angles in the two triangles are equal, then the corresponding sides are proportional, or you can say that then these two triangles are similar. So first of all, you have to understood that what is given in the statement. The given statements are that the two triangles are equiangular. Equiangular means if the corresponding angles are equal, then these triangles are known as the equiangular triangles. So let's start. First write the given when the triangles ABC, there is two triangle ABC and the triangle PQR, in which angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, and angle C equal to angle R. To prove, we have to prove that the sides are in the same proportion or in same ratio. We have learned about that in a triangles, two triangles are said to be the similar if all the angles are equal and their sides are in the proportion. So angles are equal given. If we are able to prove that the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal, then these two triangles are similar. So please try to understand, if what is given here, all the angles of the triangles are equal, if we are able to prove that the ratio of its sides are equal, then these two triangles are similar. So let's start. This theorem contains three parts. We can use this, we are going to prove this theorem by three parts, or we can three case. First part, when AB is equal to DE, when AB is equal to PQ, sorry, this is PQ, this is PQ written here wrong, this is PQ because we have to take on the triangle PQR. In this part, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R, and AB is equal to PQ, we assume. So here is PQ, and here also this is PQ. So in triangle ABC and PQR, what is given here? Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R, and we assume that AB is equal to PQ. Then these triangle ABC triangle congruent to triangle PQR. Why? Angle side angle congruency rule. Which angle side angle? Angle A is equal to angle P, and AB is equal to PQ, and angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle AB and B. So these two angle side angle congruence rules, then these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then by CPCT BC is equal to QR, BC is equal to QR, and AC is equal to PR by CPCT. So we can say that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Hence ABC triangles similar to triangle PQR. Why it is equal? AB equal to PQ, it means ratio is 1 by 1. BC is equal to QR, it means ratio is 1 by 1. AC is equal to PR, then ratio is 1 by 1. So ratio is equal, all ratios are equal, then we can say that ratios are equal, angles are equal, then triangles are similar. Second part, if AB less than PQ, if AB is less than PQ, Then what? Then take a point D on the PQ such that AB is equal to PD, and E on the AC such that AC is equal to PQ. We have to make a construction that take a point D and E on the side PQ and PR such that AB is equal to PD and AC is equal to PE. So such that this in this triangle PQR, D is the point on the PQ and E is the point on the PR such that this PD is equal to AB and AC is equal to PE. If AB is equal to PD, AC is equal to PE in triangle ABC and PDE, in triangle ABC and PDE, AB is equal to PD, AB is equal to PD and AC is equal to PE, that is given, and angle A is equal to angle P. So angle, side angle, side rules, congruence rules, both the triangles are congruent. Then if they are congruent, then the CPCT BC is equal to DE, BC is equal to DE, angle B is equal to angle B is equal to angle D, angle C is equal to angle Q, but given is that angle B is equal to Q and angle C is equal to R. From this second part we can say that angle D equal to angle Q is equal to angle D is equal to Q and angle E is equal to angle R. So let's move ahead. So D is equal to Q and angle Q E is equal to R. If these two angles are equal, then line DE parallel to QR, if this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle, then this line is parallel to this line. Why? Because by corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel. Same, if line is parallel, then by CPCT or by BPT theorem, ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. So we can say that PD upon PQ equal to PE upon PR. We can say that PD upon PQ equals to PE upon PR, and in place of PD we can write AB, and in place of P we can write AC. So AB upon PQ equals to AC upon PR. Similarly, we can prove that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. So in these two equation we can say that AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. All three ratios are equal. Hence ratios are equal, then ABC triangle similar to the triangle PQR. How you are going to prove that similarly? Similarly means here we are taking the point P and D and E on the PQ and PR. D point is taken on the PQ and E is taken on the PR. Now take point PQ and BC such that PQ is equal to D point on PQ such that PD is equal to, or QD is equal to AB and QE is equal to BC, and same process is there, then you can solve it. Third part, when AB greater than PQ, when AB is greater than PQ, then mark a point. We extend the PQ to D point and we extend the QR at the point E such that PD equal to AB and PE equals to AC. Mark a point D and E on the side PQ and PR respectively when they produced, such that AB is equal to PD and AE is equal PE is equal to AC in triangle ABC and PDE, in triangle ABC and PDE. AB is equal to PD, AC is equal to PE by construction, and angle A is equal to angle P. तो ट्रायंगल ABC congruent to triangle PDE by side angle side congruency rule. Then angle B is equal to angle D, angle C is equal to angle E, but given is that angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. Then angle E is equal to R and D is equal to Q. If D angle is equal to Q, E is equal to angle R, then we can say that QR is equal to D. If these angles are equal, then these QR is equal to D because corresponding angles are equal. Then by BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem, we can say that PQ upon PD is equal to PR upon PE, and AB is equal to PD, AC is equal to PE. Then we can change PQ upon AB is equal to PR upon AC. Take the reciprocal AB upon PQ. Take the reciprocal AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR. Similarly, we can prove that AB is equal to PQ is equal to BC upon QR. From these two equations, we can say that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Hence, sides ratio equals. Then triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Hence, proved. Thank you. Have a good day. Stay at your home and please like, share and subscribe and comment on this video.